Hello everyone. If you want add heading in your document, first step, add a title for each paragraph. After that, with your mouse select the title and click on Style section. Now choose one of these heading. For first paragraph, we use heading 1. Click on it. As you see, our first paragraph title heading 1. And for another, for example, again select, click on Style and choose, for example, heading 2. And for another, select Styles and this time heading 3. Also, you can use more heading. Click on it and as you see, heading 4 now available. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.